As interior design preferences evolve, it's important for designers and manufacturers to stay ahead of the curve. Here are some emerging trends to keep in mind when creating new collections. Textured wallpapers. Wallpaper is making a comeback with a growing demand for unusual textures and finishes, such as grass cloths, embossed patterns, and metallic accents, making wallpapering easier. Incorporating these textured finishes into your collections can be a great way to attract new customers. Sustainable wood flooring. Younger generations are increasingly choosing wooden flooring as a more environmentally friendly and aesthetically pleasing option over traditional carpeting. Bold, experimental colors. Minimalistic white and gray interiors are being replaced by bolder, more experimental colors. By paying attention to these trends and incorporating them into your collection, you can stay ahead of the curve and meet the evolving needs of the customers in the interior design industry.